Qualia. A presentation composed by Kayla Benson. Can you imagine a bright scarlet rose in your mind right now? Do you see its gorgeous petals and its dazzling vermilion shade? How would you describe this rose? How would you describe its magnificent color? The problem is, you can't. You might say the color of the rose is like a steaming fire or a drop of blood, but what if your red is different from another person's red? The idea of qualia refers to the introspectively accessible, phenomenal aspects of our mental lives. Broken down, it means the idea of one single person having their own mental state of mind when it comes to different mental processes they do individually. This could be your normal day, waking up, getting dressed, eating. But imagine this as your normal day instead. Since we can look into each other's minds and see what they are seeing, we can only assume that the individual gazing upon the same image you are seeing will see exactly what you are seeing, with the same hues. We cannot, however, know for a fact that is true though. Because we are all human, except the exceptional canine watching, we are all the same species. Humans can understand humans much more than we can understand and identify with. Let's say, fish, for example. Fish get hungry, but what does their hunger feel like other than our own? Do they feel the rumbling or an ache in their stomachs? We may never know unless we communicate with fish. The idea of an individual experience a certain living thing as while doing something is the main idea of qualia. It's your feelings and emotions. It's like trying to explain falling in love. It's different for everyone. Which mental state possesses qualia, you may ask? More than you imagined. For example, perceptual experiences have qualia, or activities that involve the senses. Eating chocolate, smelling the sea air, or sticking your feet in the sand. Felt moods include qualia. Feeling disappointed, excited, stressed. When your body undergoes certain feelings, like hunger or feeling dizzy, qualia is present. Lastly, when you have felt reactions, you possess qualia. Jealousy, regret, love, anything. I believe qualia should be a known concept in everyday lives. It would broadcast the understanding of walking in other people's shoes in a whole new way. It interests me because imagining living in a world with different colors and feeling is a thought I can barely process. Experiencing the world is an individual story, with emotions and feeling only the person experiencing it can describe. Qualia lets people be unique, and I think everyone should know their individuality.